Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade pizza with simple ingredients that you can get right in your kitchen. I start by pouring some flour in a mixing bowl, followed by some yeast, some sugar, a pinch of salt, and then I stir to combine. I make a well in the middle and I add the egg. I add some milk and then I mix in batches so as to control its consistency. I add the butter and I mix with my clean hand until a dough is formed. I knead for about 10 minutes. I place in a bowl, cover and allow to sit for about an hour. And then I proceed to make the white pesto sauce. I do that by melting some butter, and then I add some flour, followed by some milk, and then I cook until it becomes thick. So I come over to prepare the meat. I do that by adding some seasoning cubes to it, some salt, some curry powder and some thyme, and then I mix to properly combine the spices. I drizzle the pan with some oil and then I cook the beef for some minutes. I come back to the dough. I cut into 2 equal parts. I'm going to use one part and save the other one in the freezer for future use. Then I coat the tray with some oil and I spread the dough in the pan. In place of the pizza sauce, I'm using homemade tomato stew. Then I add the white pizza sauce, the beef, some diced green bell pepper, some red bell pepper, diced onions, and some more sauce. I place a stand in the pot and preheat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I place the pizza into the pot and cook for about 20 to 40 minutes on medium heat. And our pizza is ready.